Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change transparency of our floating accessibility button in Samsung Galaxy S22. So we are talking about this button right here. How to change transparency of this button. We need to go to settings, then accessibility, next advanced settings, and at the top we have our accessibility button. And in here, first of all, we can change how it looks like. So now it's hidden here. But if you are using this option, we can also change size of it. We can make it fade when we are not using it. But if we want to use change transparency of this button, we need to enable fade option, and now we can change our transparency. As you can see, it will fade when we are not using it, and when we start to use it, it will come back to life. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and have a nice day and goodbye.